Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video we will talk about the colors in HTML. In previous video we give a touch some we give a touch to colors in like style and other attributes, but today uh, we studied colors in detail. So let's get started. First of all, I will go to Visual Studio Code, which is a best code editor for programmers, and it is mostly used code editor. So it is open. I create a new window, new file, and called it HTML colors dot html. So guys, in case you don't know about these things or you don't understand these things, then go to my channel Iron Tech and watch the playlist HTML course for beginners, so you can understand these things. So if you are a newbie, then watch the previous videos and then come to this video so that you can understand things properly. So HTML colors, what are the HTML colors? HTML colors are some predefined colors. Some colors are we give it as a name, and some has some values like RGB, which means red, green, blue, and hex color value, and HSL color value, which means hue, saturation, and light. So let's talk about the first type. I write here P, and this is red, and in style I copy style. I write here color red and clear, and control S for save. So I go to HTML practice folder, and here I go to HTML colors, and you can see this is red. So now I have to go for RGB color. So I comment here RGB. P, this is RGB color value. Color, sorry, style, color, RGB. This is red, green, blue, but we have to change we have to make some new color. So we will go to Google Chrome, and here we search RGB color values. So I go to this one. So which color do you need? So I need like some green color. Like this. So this is the value of RGB. So I copy by control C, and I paste this here. Control S, and let's see what's happened. Sorry, in this is RGB color value, but that's not working. So we will change the site, and this is the RGB value. So this show me ad block, so I have to remove the ad block extension once, and now it is open. So I pick up RGB color from here, like I want to some green color. So this is the RGB value of this, and I copy it here and paste it in this. Control S, and then I refresh this so that you can see this is of green color. So the next value is of hex code. So same, I want to want some blue color, so I copy the hex value, Control C, and I made a new comment and I write here hex value. I copy this one and I Control C, Control V, color I write it here hex. Sorry, HSL. So I have to copy the HSL value of this. That's it. So I copy this one and I delete this value, Control S. So you can see there is this value. So there are also some more values like RGBA and HSLA, but I think that's it for today. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn HTML. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.